Question is from the topic of projectile. If you see, the ball is thrown from a ground to clear 3-meter ball and at a distance of 6 meter and then falls 18 meters from the wall. So if this is your wall, this is 3 meters, this is 6 meter, and then it falls 18 meters away, right? Which means the total range of the projectile is given to be 24 meters. This will be equal to u sine square 2 theta by g. We don't know u, we don't know theta. This is equation number 1. We also know that this point passes through, the projectile passes through this point. So y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 6 meter, which means y is equal to x tan theta minus gx square u square cos square theta. I think there is a 2 also here, right? So with the help of this equation, find the value of u square. Okay, so u square is equal to how much? It will be 24g upon sine 2 theta. So put this u square, which you have calculated from range, here. You will get a single equation. You know the value of y is 3, the value of x is 6. You will get one equation in theta. Convert everything to either cos theta, sine theta, and get your answer as tan inverse 3 by 4. Very simple question. The difficulty is going to be when you do this calculation by eliminating u square, you will convert this equation into cos theta or sine theta, and then you will have to apply quadratic or factorization to get the value of. Okay, so because it says tan, I think you will have to convert everything in tan instead of cos and sine. So I hope this helps you. Short way of doing the problem. Just substitute the value of u square and then solve the quadratic in tan theta. Thank you very much.